In this video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts widgets on iPhone. So basically what you want to do is you want to find free space. Once you have found free space, then you want to long hold. And now that all the apps jiggling, you want to click on the top left, click on the plus. Then you want to do is scroll down until you will see contacts. And as you can see, I have found contacts. Click on contacts. So once you have found the contacts, you have different options. So you can have like one contact, multiple contacts, or lots of contacts. Yeah, and then let's say I want to add this one. Just click on add widget and now it's been added. Then tap on done, and if I click on that, it will open up that contact. I can call them, message them, FaceTime, see all the messages with them, and etc. And that's basically it. That's how you add a contact widget on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also if you need any more help, please let me know by posting your comments down below.